Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous paper quilling Lippan art box envelope for Raksha Bandhan. And can you see the color combination and the mirror work? You can just slide it like this, and on the topmost layer I have added one Rakhi in small envelope. Then inside it I have added one greeting card, cash, and of course the chocolate as a gift. Isn't it the great idea? And it's very easy to make. Now I'm putting back the slider mechanism, and without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking pink color cardstock which measures 22.5 by 28 centimeters. From left side I have creased at 1.5, 3, 19.5 and 21 centimeters. Now just rotating the sheet, and from left side I have creased at 8.5, 10, 18.5 and 20 centimeters. Now folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder to make crisp folds. Here I am making the box envelope base. Then we just need to cut the corners like this. Here we need to leave one of the corner flap like this so that we can fold it to construct the box. Similarly repeating on right side. And on other side I am completing cutting two crease lines. Now we just need to fold it like this and construct the box envelope. So quickly I am connecting it with liquid glue. You can also use double-sided tacky tape. And the box envelope is ready. Then I'm taking one more pink sheet which is 21 by 7.5 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 2.5 centimeters. Also from right side I have creased at 2.5, and from bottom I have creased at 1.5 centimeters. So here I am creating one small pocket inside which I am going to put the greeting card and the cash. So we have to chop the corners like this, then fold all the creased parts, and I'm going to stick this inside the envelope. Like this. Then created one more small size envelope which is also a box envelope, and the measurements are 6 by 12 centimeters after completion, and the depth of the envelope is 0.5 centimeters. So I'm going to stick this envelope on the box envelope, inside which I'm going to put the Rakhi. Since our Rakhi has dimensions, so we need to put the dimensional envelope. And this is also completely ready. Then to create the slider mechanism, I am taking here white color cardstock which will come on top of this. So it will work like the belly band. and we can easily slide the box envelope from the belly band. So here I am taking 250 GSM white color cardstock, and I have already created the folds. So this measures 27.3 by 13 centimeters, and from left side I have creased it at 8.5, 10.5, 19.2 and 21.3 centimeters. So I have folded at each and every crease lines, and it will work like this. Now we just need to stick the first part with the last one to create the slider flap. And this is completely done. Then I'm just decorating my box envelope from inside using gold mirror cardstock and this beautiful floral pattern paper. You can use any kind of pattern paper which is matching to the base. You can create your own pattern paper. I have already uploaded many videos of handmade pattern papers previously, so you can check those out. Similarly, decorated the topmost pocket using the same pattern paper. Like this, looking very pretty. And inside this I have put the Rakhi greeting card as the note, and also decorated the outer envelope. Then I am putting the slider back, and it's time to decorate the top. Now I am taking one dark pink color paper and taking one bottle cap which is having approx 7 cm diameter, and I am tracing it on pink paper. Then cutting the circle. And I am sticking the circle exactly in the center of white sheet. So just finding out the center, eyeballing it and connecting it using glue. Like this. Then inside this I am adding one more small light pink color paper circle which I have created using the paper tape. So using the same paper tape I am wrapping total 4 strips of white color in 3 mm around the tape and creating one ring. Like this. So ring is ready and it will come like this. And for the outer ring I have created one more bigger ring using the same cap which we have used to make the circle by using 5 strips of white color. Now before connecting these rings we need to color the base part using some contrast color. So here I am using dark blue color which goes best with the pink, and you can directly use dark blue color cardstock as the base instead of white. I didn't have dark blue, so I have just colored it using matte acrylic color. Now it's completely done, so I am just decorating the circles using these handmade rings. Like this. Then here I have prepared some thick sticks using white color cardstock strips, which is having the same dimensions as the rectangular shape. So to create one stick, I have added 10 layers of white color strip. So the outer layer is also done. Now taking one pencil and wrapping half strip of white color in 3mm around this and making one ring. So instead of using clay, this time I am doing the Lippan artwork using my quilling strips. So here I have pinched the circle from both the sides to make the leaf shape, already created some more, and the ring is made using one strip of white color in 3M which I have created by wrapping it around the pen. Now taking back the slider panel, and I'm going to decorate the dark pink portion using these leaf shapes. And inside each leaf shape I am sticking small leaf mirrors. Like this, so pretty. Then between each design I am sticking these small triangle mirrors. Then sticking the one strip length ring exactly in the center. Then decorating the light pink color circle using some diamond shaped mirrors. Putting one circle mirror inside the ring, and this is done, looking very shiny. Then taking my pencil back and wrapping half strip of white color in 3mm around this, and then creating the teardrop shape like this. Taking back the shape, and first of all I am going to stick small circle mirrors on each side like this on top of the petal design. These are 4mm circles mirrors, and then in the corner I am decorating with these teardrop shapes, also decorating the center parts. Like this, and I have decorated all 4 corners using some square mirrors also. to give little mirror work in the corners as well. And this is looking very pretty. Then opening my box envelope, putting the Rakhi on the outermost envelope. This is the handmade Rakhi which I have already shown in my previous video. Then opening this, putting the cash on the topmost pocket, and then adding one chocolate inside the bottom pocket. Now quickly closing the box envelope, and tada! The gift for the Raksha Bandhan is ready with the personalized touch. And in this way you can make beautiful handmade gifts for your brother or sister in the upcoming festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions, and tell me in the comment what other combination we can use for this envelope. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.